How to change your email on IRS. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about on how can you change your email on IRS. So first of all, what you have to do is simply go to its official website and log into your IRS account if you have one. Some services may require an account for specific interactions. Check online account settings. If there is an online account, navigate to your profile or account settings on the profile page. Look for the options related to updating contact information. Locate the section where you can update your email address. Follow the provided instructions to enter and confirm your new email address. Some systems may require you to verify the changes through a confirmation mail or another method, so ensure that you follow any additional steps to complete the update. You can also contact IRS if you need any support. If you cannot find an online option to update your email address, or if you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to IRS support for assistance. Contact information can usually be found on their website as well. Remember, it's really crucial to use the official IRS channels when you're updating any information, and be cautious about phishing attempts and only provide personal information through secure and verified methods. And if the IRS has introduced new procedures or systems for updating email addresses, the most accurate and current information will be available on the official IRS website or by contacting the IRS directly. So this is how you can change your email on IRS. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.